In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a family Polaroid style photo with Google Gemini. We'll turn a regular family picture into that nostalgic instant film look using Gemini's image understanding and styling prompts. I'll walk you through from opening Gemini to crafting the exact prompt that delivers a warm, vintage Polaroid vibe. First, open Gemini in your browser. You can search for it or go directly to the app. Make sure you're signed in so you can upload images. If this is your first time, give the site a moment to load and confirm any basic permissions it requests. Next, start a new conversation by clicking the plus icon. This opens a clean workspace which helps Gemini focus on just this task without previous prompts getting in the way. Now, attach your family photo. Click Upload Files and choose the image you want to stylize. Clear, well-lit photos with everyone's faces visible tend to produce the best results. Most common image formats will work. If you have multiple options, pick the one with the nicest expressions and simple backgrounds to keep that classic instant film feel. Click into the prompt area. This is where you'll give Gemini clear, creative instructions. The more specific you are, the more the output will match that Polaroid aesthetic you're after. Type your prompt. Here's a reliable structure you can adapt. Using the uploaded family photo, create a Polaroid style version. Add a clean white Polaroid border with a slightly thicker bottom margin. Apply a soft, warm film tone with subtle grain and a gentle fade to highlights, while keeping skin tones natural and faces sharp. Preserve the original composition, avoid heavy blur or distortion, and keep it photorealistic. Output in a vertical instant film aspect ratio. If you like captions you can add, include a small handwritten style caption on the bottom margin that reads Family Day in soft gray. Keep your wording clear and avoid asking for extreme edits that could degrade facial details. When you're happy with the wording, click Submit. Give Gemini a moment to process the image and apply the style. If the first result isn't quite right, refine your prompt rather than starting over. For example, you can ask for a warmer tone, lighter grain, a cleaner border, or a darker vignette. Small tweaks like reduce grain by 30%, make the border pure white, or slightly brighten faces can quickly dial in the look. That's it. With a thoughtful prompt and a good source photo, Gemini makes the Polaroid look fast, consistent, and customizable. Try a few variations to find your family's signature style.